Right now we're on our way to the Melton project. We are pouring the 2 slabs today, so that's where we're heading at right now. So what we did here, we put a crane right in the middle, and he's gonna pour both slabs from there. I think it's a 37 ton Big Johnson, and we're using Titan. I got half of it poured already. All right, let's get down. Morning everybody, so we are back here at the Melton project. As you guys can see, we are pouring concrete today. We have 90 plus, and that's overall for 2 for both slabs. So that's what we're doing today. And as you guys can see, we also have a boom truck out here, so that way we can pour both slabs and we don't have to have the trucks back up in there, because it's going to be very hard having to back up there since we have all this fill that we brought in, and it's very muddy, especially that it's been raining. So let's see how this turns out. All right, so far we poured the whole house in the middle. The only thing we didn't pour is at the garage and the porch, since we have to let that dry up before we remove the form boards off of there. So what we did, we ended up going to the next house and started pouring the slab. We poured all the footers first, so that way they can get hard enough. Then we started on top without touching the garage and the porch, same like we did over here. So that way everything else can get hardened up, and then we can pour those at last. So as soon as we're done pouring on top of the floor, then we're gonna hop up to this other house and pour the garage and the porch, and then we'll hop back over to the next house and pour the 2 same things. So that's where we're standing at so far. I'm gonna take you guys real quick as a bird eye so you guys can see how it looks from the top. Let's go up there. So there you have it, guys. We should be finishing up here probably within another 2 hours or so that way we can get a good finishing in on concrete. And we'll probably be back here tomorrow to pick up the form boards and everything else, because we did get a lot of rain here, as you can see right here. Look, and this is going to complete the video for today. We'll be back here when we start installing our block for both houses. Hopefully we start by the end of this week. So today's Monday, so maybe around Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday we should start installing the block here. So we'll catch you guys up for the next video. Peace.